Uwa Fazana Tarkana Fazana Pujapana Sangla Henji. I am not against anybody. I am Zangal Kokumsi. I am against the deforestation. I am against the poppy plantation. I am against the corruption. I am against the drug smuggler.
Our forests, once teeming with life, are now under threat. Degradation caused by various factors have left scars on our landscape, threatening the very balance of nature. Clear felling, poppy cultivation, encroachments and hill earth extractions have ravaged our forests, leaving behind desolate landscape and diminishing biodiversity. Unregulated establishment of villages within reserve and protected forest areas further exacerbates the problem, leading to habitat loss and fragmentation. But hope is not lost. The government of Manipur has taken decisive actions to combat this crisis. A joint survey of forests and revenue lands overseen by a committee headed by the Chief Secretary aims to consolidate reserve and protected forests. With determination and resolve, authorities have launched crackdown on illegal forest encroachers. Armed with the law and a commitment to conservation, eviction notices are served signaling the end of illegal occupations. Encroachers are being evicted and the Forest Rights Act 2006 is being implemented to ensure the rights of forest-dependent communities. As bulldozers clear the way, reclaiming what rightfully belongs to nature, a message against the illegal exploitation echoes through the forest.
Chief Minister की CM Green Mission Manipur.
Under the Chief Minister's Green Manipur mission, catchment areas like the Kobru Range, Thangsing Range and various other places are undergoing rejuvenation.
Uthasher, she wouldn't wait the winning. She wouldn't wait to say, don't know, no reaction white and I say, how is Suman. Madam the King, no Tapakanda, a Siki Udamina, Lava when a people of the Massima Conference is Bobani. I do give broke to Maxi Heaven. Uwa Fazana Tarkana Fazana Pujapana Sangla Henji. I think in a pit. I'm not against anybody. I am Zangal Kokumsi, number one. I am against the deforestation. I am against the poppy plantation. I am against the corruption. I am against the drug smuggler. See Katane, and I cannot give my opinion. All are my peoples. I want to be cannibalistic.
That is the reserve forest nena lagunina. Akoi uthaba lakpani, akoi government duty the lakpa uniform. I isamaksu DFO moina lakpani. No in obstruct our thing about. Other Italia legal action initiative because this is illegal never no into it. Adu nay na ngasi hajin ng base no ida. Ato akoi no as a young me mo na ai gino no na wakhan gyam pixel lido. Ha je u tha je akoi de no gine noina promise tawdo dumaina ekoi in my heart I don't have any ill intention now.
However, these efforts face fierce resistance from those who seek to exploit our forests for their own gain.
Forest halai die, no more reserve forest.
Protest rallies and acts of vandalism such as the burning of forest offices and vehicles poses a serious threat to both the property and personnel conducting the duty to conserve the forest. As the battle to save our forests intensifies, the need for collective actions and cooperations becomes even more urgent. Together, the people of Manipur must save the forests and the land from the illegal encroachers and the illegal immigrants destructing the forests and the land for their own benefits.